now we have created a get records. So now we need to create a decision. Okay, for this decision, does contact exist? This will be the API name. So the outcome label will be contact exist. Okay, now we need to give the resource. So we're gonna give the resource where ID should be not equals to we'll give it as false. Okay, now this is done. Now for the default outcome, we're gonna take if where condition is null, then what happens if where condition is null, this path will run. Okay, so it will give us no contact form, so this path will run. You don't need to add separate condition here. Okay, so that's how this is. Let's just remove this. Now we are done with this. Okay, now we need to connect all the paths. Okay, decision contact existed. If it skips create and then create event, create ticket,